Look at this. Look at this. This, this, this. What's the difference? Look closely. Calm. Look. What's the difference between this and this? It's simple. RGB lights. If you think I'm lying or like there's more to it than having a perfect setup, go to Twitter, go to Instagram, go to even the big ass YouTube. The only difference you're going to find between a regular setup and a setup which is looking very cool and attractive is just RGB lights. And I'll prove it. Watch. Hold on. Before I actually prove my point, let's look at the wide range of products that companies release to the public. Look at mouses, TVs, laptops, keyboards. Hold on. Speakers. The big thingy, CPU, yeah. Gaming phones, gaming chairs. Aha! Said it. Even gaming chairs have LED lights. So if you look at it, LED lights is just like an optional aesthetic that you can slap on a final product to make it look cool. Okay, let's begin the experiment. So after 5 hours of trying to prove my point, I've come to the conclusion that I am bad at Photoshop. Very, very bad. Let's use AI. And voila. The difference, the results. Okay, now that I'm seeing it, it's kind of not looking the way I expected, but you get my point. I know this doesn't look appealing to the eyes, but that's what I can do. I'm sorry. Simply get your PC, your keyboard, your mouse, your headset, your controller maybe, and your CPU. That's all. Basically, don't just leave things that are not necessary for your PC setup. Just, I don't know, toss them under the bed or something. Just make sure the PC table is clean at all times, and you're good to go. In some places around the video, you probably heard some goats bleating. Those are they are goats, yes, and I speak goat language. They actually were saying subscribe in goat language. It goes like this: subscribe.